welcome to my YouTube channel. This is what is in my bag, in my baby's bag for hospital for 2022. So I've got a lovely River Island bag. I love this bag. It's just an overnight one, and this is the one that I'm going to keep strictly for the baby. I will have a separate video to this which will have a suitcase which I'm using for myself. As you know, we are still in a pandemic, or we're living, you know, where times are a bit different and we have to be extra careful. So my aim is to make sure that I'm well, baby is well, and we're as protected as possible during our time in hospital. So first things first goes without saying is some hand sanitizer. This is for myself, or if we do have any visitors, if we're allowed any visitors. Every time anybody wants to hold the baby, or they have to make sure they've got a face mask, I'm going to add some face masks in my mummy bag. But everybody has to hand sanitize, wash hands and sanitize on top. I also have this Dettol spray, which I thought was a great idea because you can spray it onto clothes, onto the cot bed, onto the bed sheets, because you will be sharing, you know, hospital covers. Even though they will sterilize them, they'll wash them. I just don't think everything is removed in terms of germs, so just spray that on top and it kills 99% of bacteria, and it instantly refreshes your clothing. It smells quite nice. It doesn't smell quite as if it's chemical, and it's got multiple purpose use. So, you know, you can see gym kits, clothes, fresh scent, hats, shoes and uniform. So you just spray from a distance and that should work. I have some nappy bags because we like to keep everything hygienic, everything sealed. We don't want any unwanted odors. So we've got some nappy bags to just help dispose of the baby's nappies. I have a cute little flannel which will be soft against the baby's skin, and that's just to help with you know, just washing the hair, washing the body, whether it's a dry wash in the hospital, but that will help to get some of the dead skin cells. That will help keep baby fresh and baby nice. I do plan on breastfeeding, however, I have pre-made milks that are sterilized. So I've gone for SMA because that worked really well with my son. I have about 12 of them that are just ready, and that's just in case my milk comes in late. Everything is ready to go. Yeah, so that's the instructions for the breast pump as well, which I have. That will be in my bag because it's too large to be in baby's bag. I've purchased this from Amazon. I haven't tried it myself, but it has great reviews from everybody. So these are pre-sterile tips. They've got the cover in them, and this will be opened at the point of baby's feed, whether that's the first feed, depending when baby needs it, just in case the milk hasn't come through. So I'm really pleased about this. If I am struggling and I am pumping using the breast pump and I'm using bottles or sterilizing storage bags, then this is where I will use this liquid to just keep everything clean again while in hospital. So in my last stay with my son, I had to stay for 7 days. I had a container that had water, and then I would put some sterilizing liquid into it, and that's where the bottles would stay until they're ready for use. So that just made sure that, again, it was a sterile environment for the baby to minimize risk. I have 1 packet of Huggies, 99% pure water. Hopefully my baby doesn't have any allergies or any irritations, but the best way to make sure that you are keeping baby's best interest is to use water-based wipes, and just, you know, just making sure that everything has been cleared well. There are no chemicals, there are no scents, baby's not irritated. So I will put 1 in baby's bag and 2 in my bag in terms of wipes. I mean, that should be enough for the first week, but just to make sure. You rather have plenty of things than none. We have cute little hats from birth. These are 0 to 3 months. So I'm just carrying 2 of them. So in England at the moment, it is winter time, and we going to have a winter baby. So just want to make sure that she's snug, she's nice and warm. So I've packed 2 hats. I don't plan on staying in hospital. Hopefully everything goes according to plan. And then we have some baby grows. So I just have 2 of these. I've got a blue one with some foxes on it, and then a pink one, pinkish red. Just 2 of them, and they've got their own bottoms, so some tights, some leggings that she can wear. So that will be one complete outfit. I'm just gonna have to put a jumper there. I'm not too sure what she's gonna wear for her leaving hospital outfit, but I really do like this whole African theme, and it's a full set. So you've got this from Next, and it's the little trousers. Most likely she'll wear this because it's only 0 to 1 month. So we've got the little trousers, and then you have the long sleeve top, and I think that just looks so curious. It looks really nice and quite snug. But what's missing again are some little socks. I'll put some little socks, some little booties, and a jumper. I have 2 blankets. So we've got like a thin shower or blanket, what you call it, and then we've got a thicker one. Can't remember exactly where this is. Is this Tesco? Yes, I think they're both from Tesco. They're just pink. I am going to try and pack some more blankets in my bag because I just want her to have her own things rather than having to use or to lay on directly onto the cot of the bed for the hospital. Then we have Pampers, the large bag. It has 50 nappies, so we won't know her birth weight and how often, how long she might be in these. But Pampers is really good because it doesn't irritate. It doesn't necessarily always irritate newborns. I could be wrong. Every child's different, but then this has been quite good from birth. So this is my hospital bag for the baby, and this is what I think I need for a delivery in 2022 conditions. So a lot of sterilization, hand sanitation, and obviously disinfecting and keeping more sterile environments. Thank you for watching this baby bag for 2022 delivery. Stay tuned and you'll see what is in my hospital bag as a mummy to be for the second time.